Stitch this with what? Wait.
Innovative and quite exciting. And it's... Cut.
Whenever you want.
This is a test.
And go.
So this is a new home. No, it wasn't a new home.
And go.
So this is a property using a new technology called radiant heating. We'll talk about it in a second, but it's quite exciting. It's got quite a bit of noise and buzz in the sector that we're quite excited about. And there's a number of people in this sector looking at this going, this is good. And this is far too long, so I'm going to do it again.
What is an air source heat pump? An air source
Really small, really
Go.
5 companies that are supplying products.
Do we need to say 5 Welsh companies?
Zoo, that's where I just stopped.
Yeah.
In Caerphilly, doing really important.
That's okay.
Number 2, Weatherby of Bridgend, doing. Stop.
That's okay.
System designer of all insulation. Do.
A lot of influential and shoot, cut that. Along for.
Oh, sorry, I'll
That's
pause
okay.
it there. Yeah. Right. It's
put-
on again. It's on again.
Come along for. Join us there where we have 3 experts heating, otherwise known as infrared heating. So a lot of time, cars, but only for some people. For other people, they might want to look into get radiant heating. No, that sucks. Oh. And number 2, we're let me start again. Okay.
Touch and feel and see and experience it. And it had.
Go ahead.
In Penygroes here.
It's okay. I'll cut it.